of, of, of.
The 10th of August. The 10th of August. The 14th of September. The 14th of September. The 9th of October. The 9th of October. The 30th of November. The 30th of November. The 25th of December. The 25th of December. The 1st of January. The 1st of January. The 3rd of February. The 3rd of February. The 5th of March. The 5th of March. The 12th of April. The 12th of April. The 15th of May. The 15th of May. The 22nd of June. The 22nd of June. The 31st of July. The 31st of July.
What's the date? Today. What's the date today? What's the date today? What's the date today? It's the 31st of July. 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 When's your birthday? When's your birthday? When's your birthday? When's your birthday? It's on the 31st of July. It's on the 31st of July. It's on the 31st of July. It's on the 31st of July.